Most people use ChatGPT incorrectly. We tested over 100 prompts and features, and these 15 hacks, drum roll, actually work. And the last hack alone will make you look at AI completely differently. Welcome to Brain Fart Bros. Today we're cutting through the noise to show you 15 powerful ChatGPT hacks, from smart prompting to productivity, business, and creativity, plus a bonus trick at the end that even pro users overlook.
Yep, 15 real hacks that can save time, make money, and make you dangerously good at talking to AI. Stick around for the last one. It's the feature nobody's talking about, and it changes everything.
Each one's practical, tested, and ready to use. And yeah, we'll drop the exact prompts for you to copy and paste below. Let's get into it. Let's start with the foundation, what smart prompting is. Because if you can't talk to ChatGPT right, every fancy trick after this is pointless. So here are 5 hacks that'll turn you from meh user to prompt whisperer. Hack 1, give your AI a persona and a purpose. Most people just say, write this and expect magic. That's like telling a stranger to build your house with no blueprint.
Instead, define who it should be and how it should think. Example, you are a senior copywriter for a tech brand. Write in a witty, confident tone for a Gen Z audience. Instantly, you've built a personality that matches your goal.
Exactly. You're not asking an AI, you're assigning a role. That one line can make ChatGPT sound like your intern, your lawyer, or your therapist. Choose wisely. Hack 2, tell it the goal, then the format. AI doesn't just need the what, it needs the how. Let's put it this way. Instead of saying, summarize this document, you say, summarize this document into 5 key lessons. Format, bullet points plus 3-sentence insights. You've just eliminated guesswork. It knows what outcome you want and how to deliver it.
Think of this like giving a spreadsheet to your assistant. You'd never say, organize this, without showing the columns. This one's criminally underrated. Hack 3, few-shot prompting. Basically, show it examples of what you like, and it learns your taste instantly.
Yeah, an example. Example in, product, vegan protein bar. Example out, 3-step marketing plan, hook, pain, promise. Now, write a 3-step marketing plan for product X. The AI mimics your tone, structure, and logic just like that.
That's like giving a cheat sheet to your chat. This method tells the AI how to think before it thinks. You're shaping its reasoning chain to get consistent, human-level output.
Hack 4, chain of thought prompting. Tell ChatGPT to explain its reasoning before answering. You'll catch logic errors, and your final answers will make sense. Yeah, it's like asking it to think out loud. For example, explain your reasoning step by step before giving the final summary. You'll get transparency and better decisions. Just don't overdo it, otherwise it'll start narrating like it's writing a PhD thesis. This last one's a game changer, temperature control. It's basically your creativity dial. Low temperature, 0.3, means focus and accuracy. High temperature, 0.7 and above, means creativity and risk. So, that's the foundation of mastering ChatGPT, smart prompting. 5 simple tweaks that completely change how the AI talks back.
And if you think that's good, wait till you see what happens when you make it work for you, automating tasks, summarizing chaos, and building full systems on command.
Yeah, that's part 2, productivity and workflow hacks. We'll show you how to chain prompts, turn ChatGPT into your project assistant, and get better results. Subscribe, hit that bell, and don't miss it if you want to get more productivity from your time.
All right, that's it for today. Drop your favorite hack in the comments and see you in part 2.